Welcome back to Minimal Momento. Today I will show you how I made these 3 mini projects using an artificial cane. For the first one, you will need 2 flat rings, a mirror and a piece of cane. I started by tracing the ring onto the cane. As the cane was not long enough, I could not trace the entire ring, so with a piece of tape I marked as far as I could trace it. Then I cut 2 centimeters away from the trace line. After I traced the bottom part of the ring and cut it. I placed the ring on the trace line and using a hot glue gun, I stick it to the cane and I glued the other piece of cane to the ring. I trimmed straight the parts where the cane joined and then added some hot glue. After I folded the outer cane all the way around and did some peaks with the scissors. I folded again and cut any excess cane. For the inner part ring, I did some peaks on the cane, folded the edges and glued them. Next, I attached the mirror on the inner ring using hot glue. Then I place the second ring and stick it onto the mirror. I used a flat wire, cut it to size, and attached it to the outer ring. Again, using hot glue, I stick the edges of the cane to the flat wire and cut any excess. Later, I will spray with black color a 1 cm layer around the mirror. For the second mini project, I use a recyclable glass jar and I cut a piece of cane to half size of the jar and attach the cane to the glass using hot glue. For the last project, I used cane, 4 small pieces of fabric with interfacing and an extra piece for the back. I started by folding the fabric in half and folded the edge into the middle and pressed it, and I did the same on the other side. Then I brought the edges together. I positioned the straps around the cane, the side with the interfacing will face up. After I marked the fabric to cut any excess. I folded the top strap in half to mark the middle as I will attach a snap button. I pinned the straps to the cane and sewed all around. Then I cut to size the fabric for the back, leaving 2 cm on the top to fold it, as I will attach the stud button. To finish, I added an extra piece of fabric that I folded in half. Folded the edge into the middle and press it, and I did the same on the other side. Then I brought the edges together. I clip all around to hold the fabric in place and sew it all around. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notification to get notified when we upload a new video. Don't forget to leave a comment, like and share this video. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram. Gracias por vernos. Asegúrate de suscribirte a nuestro canal. Presiona la campana de notificación para que no te pierdas ninguno de nuestros nuevos videos. No te olvides de dejar tu comentario, darle te gusta y comparte el video. También nos puedes encontrar en Facebook y en Instagram.